If noise makes you nervous on a plane, here is the uncomfortable truth. The loudest moments are usually the safest. Most people hear loud engines and think something is wrong, but in aviation, loud usually means high thrust, and high thrust is the most stable, predictable engine condition. Silence feels comforting. It is just not how aircraft work. Takeoff, climb, and go-arounds are noisy because the engines are operating exactly where they are designed to run. Strong airflow, stable combustion, big safety margin. Even the strange sounds, flaps, landing gear, hydraulic pumps, are not warnings. They are powerful systems doing normal heavy work. Airbus aircraft may sound abrupt when automation adds thrust to protect energy. Boeing aircraft may sound deliberate when pilots manually add power. Different philosophies, same reality. Noise reflects control, not danger. So here is the part people argue about. Do you trust what feels calm, or what actually gives the aircraft the most margin? Because in aviation, quiet often means low power, and loud usually means the plane is exactly where it wants to be.